So I'm here today to pretty much improve my computer and upgrade a little bit more. So currently right now I have a 2.5 inch 1 terabyte solid state drive, which, you know, that's pretty good. It's better than a hard disk drive, but recently I've come across in my research something a little bit better. It's called an M.2, like M.2 solid state drive, and it's something that you don't just connect via cables to the power supply in the motherboard. It plugs directly into your motherboard. It's a lot faster, like a lot faster. It's also a lot more expensive, but I decided to just go ahead and splurge a bit. So right here I have one that I bought on Amazon. So I haven't opened it yet, so I'm kind of curious as to, you know, if it's, it might not even be what I ordered, but we'll see. Hopefully it is. As you can see right there, M.2 PCIe, you know, the PCI Express Generation 3, you know, times 4 is the length. This here is also RGB. Shockingly enough, got to make everything colorful. 1 terabyte for gaming desktops and notebooks. So this thing here should just plug right into there. So let me just open it up. This will be the unboxing. Wow. Man, I knew it was small, but wow. So it comes with a user manual with a whole bunch of different QR codes for different languages. Seems to be entirely in English, which is very nice. I mean, especially when you're shipping to America. I mean, overall, that's really nice. It has that kind of crystal effect. So supposedly when you plug it in, turn it on, the colors go through. If it's blue, it looks like water. If it's red, it looks like lava. You know, it looks like flowing liquid. So that's the intended effect, and it even has it labeled here what it is. You know, the name brand, Add a Game. ADDAGAME. The gaming series, the X70, I guess. And it's a 1 terabyte M.2 PCIe. Tells you everything you need to know right on it. You know, you can see the board on the back. So, pretty sure I just plug it in almost like a RAM slot, where the RAM you just put it in on an angle and push it down, and then the clips go ahead and hold it in place. With something like this, I believe it's almost you know, very, very similar, where you just pop it in, push it down, but then you take a screw and put it in. So. We'll see. I'm about to go ahead and give it a shot.